Why am I me? Oh hi, I didn't see you there. Just kidding, of course I saw you there. Welcome back to my channel. I am O to the E to the monster that was cringy as hell.
Language!
Anyway, I was bored, like really bored today. So, I'm taking a completely normal and average thing and I'm making a video out of it. The life of a YouTuber. Am I right? What are we gonna be what are we possibly gonna be cooking? Well, today, we got hot cocoa. So, we have a nice oven right here. Nice oven, pretty nice, right? But I don't want to blow up the house, so instead I'm using a microwave. Buy a microwave right now at owenmonster.com/shop. Can you guys smell that? Wait, it's a microphone. That's not a nose. I'm so stupid. What the hell? We have a cup. Alright, here's our hot cocoa. Wait, I gotta fill this up with water. Yummy. Let's put this in the microwave and try not to explode. Let's do a minute. Now we wait. It's done. Ah, it's hot. Now let's read the instructions, because I'm all about instructions. Direction. Oh. I did it wrong. What a waste of water. Kids in Africa could have drank that.
We don't do that here.
It says 1 cup of milk. Alright, I got you. If you don't know, kids, this is a cup. This is also a cup. And this is a mug. I'm gonna spill this 100%. Oh my god, I did it. Now we gotta warm it up. Oh, it's done! Yay! Ah, the milk smells terrible. Alright, now I need 2 tablespoons.
NANI?!
Anchor block. Let's get some ASMR in here for the fans. I ran out of whipped cream.
This is outrageous. It's unfair.
Now that our hot cocoa is all done, let's take a few little. Holy balls. That is some good hot cocoa. I'd say I'm a professional chef and it has totally nothing to do with the hot cocoa mix I use. Anyway, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. I really hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. And yeah, peace out. Bye. This is me fighting away my depression. Bye.